Will Johnny Depp spare Amber Heard the $10 million? We'll have to wait until 24 June. Here's why. The judge will rule in less than 2 weeks, and in this time the parties have a chance to reach an amicable settlement. Following the verdict of the trial between Johnny Depp and Amber Heard, the latter must pay the former, since she lost the lawsuit. In any case, the last week has sparked rumors that the actor might waive the money. What's more, he could now renounce the compensation that Amber Heard will have to pay, as her lawyers have pointed out this week. A new stage of uncertainty has started. From June 1, when the jury gave its verdict in favor of the actor, to the date of June 24. Why? After the jury delivered its verdict, it will not be until that date that Judge Ozcarte will issue an instruction reflecting the verdict. This would give both parties time to reach a hypothetical settlement agreement on the case in which Depp could waive the compensation, as long as Heard does not appeal any part of the case. According to various U.S. media reports, the payments Amber Heard and Johnny Depp are facing. Amber Heard was hit with a setback, as she will have to pay $10 million in damages and another $5 million in fines, although the judge reduced the latter amount to $350,000. For his part, Johnny Depp, according to the jury, was found to have defamed Heard on one occasion and will therefore have to pay her $2 million in compensatory damage. Amber Heard readies appeal against Johnny Depp. The responses to the judgment from either party were clearly contrasting. Depp, who had surprised everyone by heading off to England after closing statements had been made on the Friday to perform on stage with Jeff Beck, took to Instagram to express his gratitude to the jury, saying that he was truly humbled, and explained that he had been motivated to bring the case forward after his life, the life of my children, the lives of those closest to me, changed after Heard. She added that she felt her voice was not able to break through the disproportionate power and influence of her ex-husband. And so to the next step for the actress. On Thursday, an attorney for the Aquaman star confirmed that Heard would be appealing the jury's decision, saying that she has some excellent grounds for it. Although there had been talk as we awaited the jury's verdict of a potential appeal if she lost, the general sense was that this would be difficult unless significant new evidence came into play. So up stepped Elaine Charlson Breedhoft, speaking on NBC, to announce that the appeal would be going ahead, stating that Depp's team was able to suppress an enormous amount of evidence that was allowed in the libel case in Britain, which Depp demonized Amber, and suppress the evidence. Depp had sued British tabloid The Sun for calling him a wife-beater, but a London High Court judge found that Depp had abused Heard at least a dozen times. Due to legal process, Heard's lawyers were not allowed to tell the jury that information in the Virginia case, Breedhoft said. So what did Depp's team learn from this? Demonize Amber, and suppress the evidence, Breedhoft said, although not confirming how long it may be until we see the official appeal. They were able to suppress the medical records, which were very, very significant, because they showed a pattern going all the way back to 2012 of Amber reporting this to her therapist. For example, we had significant amount of texts, including from Mr. Depp's assistant, saying, "When I told him he kicked you, he cried, he is so sorry. That didn't come in. She was demonized here," Breedhoft added. A number of things were allowed in this court that should not have been allowed, and it caused the jury to be confused.